Welcome this video. If you want a home interior that insert that feel room in nature and arrange grateful think not to a beautiful design stone house interior. Stone have become used for canteen, farmhouse, various become its often unmatched durability and a look that simple noise going out of style. Whether you build a new home or refresh an interior, one stone can innovate your interior design. Today video we explored some stem stone interior idea that build traditional with modern design help you create a home that feel warm, elegant and unformatting. Classic nature stone wall. A full design natural stone gave your home a both rich and timeless appear stone like limestone, sandstone, for faint stone and bring those textile and color various those natural stone have a run charm make the home feel growing and stone you can open stone for a classic refined look or to go interior shade to create a more refined countryside aesthetic. Natural stone wall also look better with arranged development that add even more chaptering over time mix stone and electric interior if stone and structure interior if want balance soft companion stone structure is a wonderful choice stone that low half of the home add Steam on the under level create a high modern appearance. This convenient work beautiful. Traditional house design choose warm bring stone for a choosy feel, color glowing stone for a both demo effective. This convenient make your home stood out while look publish and elegant. Stone attempt for modern house, even ultra house can benefit. For a stone interior of cover those house use stone as arrange and entrance away on color need at a function wall. Line cut stone paired well with modern material like growing stone and wood. This convenient add warmth and textile towards other wall with cloud and minimalist interior. Key is the choose stone and clean line and substone to main interest the modern aesthetic. Style stone interior. If you dream of a full house, style stone interior and affordable, perfect room, stone give your home a choosy stone broke charm theme with wide window, wood, architect doorway and charm various to complete cuts look. Add sleep roof, flower box or a rustic charm door can elevate the charm even more. This style is warm. Wash is idea for countryside or a smart home. Elegant stone enters away. A stone enters away create a dimming, a welcome, first impression, stone door front, stone pillow, and stone fence, pouch interior elevate the look for your home. You can going with the long both stone, a powerful statement, cut stone for a refined lush